Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. So I gotta confess that I am a sucker for a cute pair of shoes. I have way too many, just ask my family. But these adorable shoes have become my favorites 100%. I absolutely love them. I love how comfortable they are. I can work out in these or I can just head to the mall. I can wear them all day long. I love the comfort level. They have wide toes, which is perfect for me because I do not like having my toes squished in any pair of shoes, and these fit so comfortably and so well. These come in several different colors, and I want a pair in every color that they have. I love the blue that I have. They give my outfits just a little pop of color when I'm looking for that. I also wanted to highlight the durability. They are made out of a wonderful material. It breathes well, and I know that they're going to last me for years to come. So if you are looking for a breathable, durable, and fashionable pair of shoes, you have found them. And that's my point of view.